Introducing Golfkicks, the revolutionary solution that transforms your favorite sneakers into high-performance golf shoes. With Golfkicks, you can enjoy superior traction, unbeatable comfort, and complete customization on the course, all while rocking your unique style. Golfkicks are screw and spikes that easily attach to the soles of your sneakers using a provided Allen wrench. This proprietary technology securely grips the shoe, ensuring durability and stability on various terrains. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to enhanced grip and confidence on every swing. Unlike traditional golf shoes that can be rigid and uncomfortable, Golfkicks allow you to enjoy the familiar feel of your favorite sneakers while providing the traction and performance you need on the golf course.
Don't buy golf shoes. Get these instead.
These little screws turn your favorite sneakers into your favorite new pair of golf shoes.
Elevate your game and embrace your unique style on the course. Transform your favorite sneakers into custom golf shoes with Golfkicks today.
Let's turn these Jordans into Golfkicks. So first, let's go ahead and grab our Golfkicks pack. And then let's go ahead and grab our Jordans that we're going to be turning into Golfkicks. Then let's go ahead and grab our Golfkicks pack and let's see what's inside. So we've got a whole set of spikes, some glue, a screwdriver, a Sharpie to be able to turn these shoes into Golfkicks. Let's get into it. So let's go ahead and take our 8 spikes and put them on the bottom of the shoe to map out where we're going to screw them in. So now that we've got it all mapped out, we're going to move each spike and put a Sharpie dot exactly where that spike was so we know exactly where to screw in. And now let's go ahead and take our screwdriver and screw them in. So let's go ahead and take our first spike, put it on top of our screwdriver, and then before we screw it in, the final step is to take this shoe goo and put it on top of the spike right before we screw it in to make sure it's nice and secure once it's screwed in. And now let's screw it in. Just keep screwing it in. And just like that, we've turned a pair of Jordan 4s into golf shoes.
What's up, Golfkick Nation? Backdoor Nation, Hazy Nation, Golf and Hazy here with you for a quick Gatorade 6 golf kick tutorial. You guys voted on them, here they are. I went ahead and pre-marked them so that this video could go a little quicker. I'm gonna do a 7 stud pattern with most of the traction being on the outside, that's what I like. So Golfkick sends you a kit with a wrench if you don't have a drill, a hex bit for the studs, 20 studs. I'm only gonna use 14, a couple of ball markers, and a sweet little bag of tees. So let's get to it. And this is super easy. These version 4s they have really, boom. It's there, it's in, it's secure. That thing's not going nowhere. And there you have it, guys. 1 golf kick pair of Gatorade 6s.